Airbnb host but not sure how to manage your property items? Hey there, it's Carol, founder of Everspruce. Today I've got something that is a game changer for Airbnb hosts or anyone thinking becoming an Airbnb host and property manager. The best way to keep track of your property items is with Everspruce, your go-to tool for managing your Airbnb like a pro. Whether you're a seasoned host or just starting out, we're diving into one of the essential tools to turning your property into a successful Airbnb. Let's get started. Managing your short-term rentals can be exciting, but we know there are hurdles. Enter Everspruce, a tool designed to making hosting short-term property management easier. Imagine making turnover smoother and stress-free, and here's how. With Everspruce, creating and updating your property's inventory is a snap. Snap a pic, add descriptions with your smartphone, and voila, you have created a digital property inventory that you can easily update with a few taps of your phone. And with photos, you can document the condition of your items. You can update photos anytime. Introducing Zones, your secret weapon for property organization. Got more than one property? With Everspruce Zones feature, each property gets its own dedicated space in the app. No crossover drama, each zone in its own world. Your zone, your rules. And managing zones is a breeze. Change names, add new items, update quantities. It all can be done in a few taps. Watch this video here to learn more about zones or read my blog post, link in the description box. But wait, there's more. If you're juggling multiple properties and have property managers to assist you, here's the ace up your sleeve. Everspruce is a multi-user inventory app. You can invite others to join your zone. You have a team managing your properties. Everyone will know what goes where and the condition of your items. You can choose on your team who has permission to make edits. Watch this video here to dive into multi-user feature and enjoy 3 extra users for free. Everyone stays in the loop, no miscommunication. Here's where it even gets better. Everspruce doesn't stop at inventory management. It seamlessly helps you with your property insurance. Detailed records of your property's items can be a lifesaver in case of unfortunate events. Complete documentation with photos for your insurance company makes the claims process go smoothly. It's all about peace of mind and efficiency, and Everspruce delivers. So whether you're a seasoned Airbnb host or a property manager or just starting out, Everspruce is here to make your life easier. If you found this helpful, you'll definitely want to watch this video next.